everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I'd like to share with you today my Sephora play for the month of December. And here is the box that I am just dying to see what's in it. And the first thing I pick up is the brochure that comes with it. And it says our biggest revelation of 2018. And this just tells you everything that's in it. And it says, cheers to beauty, your playlist for 2018. Okay. And I see they changed the bag, which is a good thing, so it's not wasteful. You know what, let me just come a little closer. That's much better. Okay, so the first thing that I see in here is a full size of Marajo hair care. This is a blowout styling cream. It's 2 fluid ounce. I've never heard of this brand before, so let's see what they say about it. And it says, ain't sheen, nothing yet. Marajo Blowout Styling Cream. A smoothing styling cream that protects hair from heat and damage. While we're raising a toast to it, this nutrient-rich formula locks in hydration and helps prevent breakage. So strands are voluminous, smooth, shiny, and healthy looking long past midnight. Plus, it works for all hair types. And you apply evenly to damp towel dried hair, then blow out, air dry. Blow out or air dry. So that is Marajo Blowout Styling Cream. That is full size. Next we have Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. And it's this tiny little thingy here. I think infused with peach and sweet fig cream. This is something that I will give away because I stay away from anything that has fragrance in it. I can't put that on my face, else I'll break out. So this is the Too Faced. That's just peachy, primed and peachy cooling matte perfecting primer. Peaches and cream collection. An effective primer that blurs imperfections and brightens the complexion. This is the perfect primer to help you ring in the new year. This lightweight formula lasts all night, delivers 12 hours of shine control, and smells like peaches and cream. Apply a small amount to forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks, then blend with fingers. This is going to go to a coworker's daughter. Next we have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. And this is a hardworking daily face cleanser that leaves skin soft and hydrated. Get a fresh start with this face wash that removes excess oil, impurities, and even waterproof makeup. Lavender, vitamin C, antioxidant-rich algae, and marine flower extracts soothe and tone skin. Gently massage one pump onto damp skin for 30 to 60 seconds, then rinse. So this is the Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser from Tarte. Next up is this is a Trestique Mini Lip Glaze. This is called in Paris Pink. And it looks like this. So it says glaze for days, a nurturing lip balm. show it this way. A nurturing lip balm in a vivid pink shade with a soft shine finish. Resolve to keep your lips moisturized. Get a dose of hydration, a pop of color with this lip glaze that goes on smooth, lasts all day, and feels like second skin. Start in the center of your lips and apply outward to the corners of your mouth. Trestique. I think I've heard of this brand before. And let's try to take off this and possibly show you these. I love when they get so secure that you can't even take it off when you get it. Yeah, I can't get it off, but that's the color. Next up we have, again from Tarte, this is their Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. And these are really good. Ugh, come on, I really do like Tarte's mascaras. So this is a mascara that lengthens, curls, volumizes, and conditions lashes. Ready for lashes that will take center stage in every photo, this rich black mascara gives your eyes a makeover by delivering intensely pigmented color as well as striking length and volume. Start at the root and wiggle the wand through the lashes. I do love these travel sizes mascara. I actually find them to be much better than the full size. And lastly, this is the Sunday Riley C, I know it's C something, but okay, here we go. This is the CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. And I don't see anything on it, about it in here, so I'll just read what it says here. With 15%, okay, it's so tiny I can't even read that, but anyway, the gold standard of vitamin C to rapidly brighten the appearance of the skin and boost vital skin bounce in a flash. So CEO by Sunday Riley. And that is it. And if you go into the store and purchase any of these items, full size items, you get an additional 50 points for your Beauty Insider points added. So again, these are actually, they're good. They're not the best Sephora has done, but they are good. For $10, this is, for these, it's not bad, especially because you're getting this full-size item, which I know my friend Leslie's daughter would absolutely love. So thank you so much for watching. That was my Sephora Play for December 2018. If you do receive Sephora Play, please let me know what you received in your box. Was it the same as mine or was it different? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, the notification bell. As always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, simply pay it forward. Bye-bye.